just hear those sleigh bells ringing and the kids are walking around singing. I don't actually know the words, but it doesn't stop me from singing. Hey guys! It's Drea with Clueless Mommy D. I'm so excited to be back and doing another Christmas DIY with you guys. If you guys didn't catch the last one, we made this really fun felt Christmas tree Mickey and Minnie Mouse themed, and now today I've got like an even easier one. We are going to be making Dollar Tree snow globes, and they're just such a cute thing for the kids to play with during the season. Before we get started with this super awesome, super adorable, and super affordable DIY, I want to thank everybody who has come to my channel. It really means a lot to me. I do mummy lifestyle with laughs videos, so I have DIYs, but I also have anything that I kind of go from clueless to I got this on that I think will make mom life easier. And some of you are saying hi in the comments, and that means the world to me, and I bless Auntie Tay for, you know, giving me this opportunity. So let's get to these snow globes.
So you gotta snatch these figurines whenever you find them at the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna be using these three guys for these snow globes, as well as these plastic masons I picked up around Valentine's Day. But since it's Christmas, you can also use these little ornaments. They work just the same. And I picked up these containers from the dollar store, which I will be using, and the Dollar Tree glue. Wish me luck, guys. It's not E6000. And you need your choice of glitter. All of this is affordable, guys. You can use water, preferably distilled, and totally optional is spray paint, which I used here, and glycerol. So you want to take the containers and glue them onto the lids of the masons. Now, I totally realized after I did this, I should have removed the little insert here. So I quickly removed that and glued that directly to the lid to make sure it was more stable. And then I added my weight, aka my trusty Bath and Body candle, and made it dry overnight. So once it was secure, it was time to add the Disney figurines. Hey Donald, looking good. So I gotta say guys, this glue held up really good from the Dollar Tree. I was happy with it and will use it again. Once my figurine was in place, I decided to add some tape and just attach that around to make sure that the figurine did dry into the center and didn't slide over in the glue. And there you have it. Hi Minnie! And I took a paint pen and just put some odd shaped circles to make Dalmatian dots on Cruella's pedestal. So you want to add the water, but leave a little space for the figurine as well as your glitter, and then go ahead and add. Now I had sequins at home, so I went ahead and used that, and it worked just as good if you ask me. Who doesn't love sequins? They're so pretty. There's Donald's, and this is Minnie's. And the whole point of the glycerol is just to make things move slower than they would in just water. You can also use baby oil instead. I did glue my lids on, guys, because I have a crazy 2-year-old who would totally open these. So to secure it, you can do that as well. Aren't they pretty? I just love this. It's so easy, and it was like, I don't know, $6 to make. Totally awesome. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to Auntie Tay, and please come visit me on my channel. It's in the description. I'm Clueless Mama D. Love you guys.